I'm Christine from the National Audubon Society, and today we are with Rita McMahon from the Wild Bird Fund. What are you bringing today?
It's a big surprise in that box, yes. And it was a surprise to us. It was the first black vulture that we ever received. We've had turkey vultures, and this is the first black vulture. The sad thing for him is he has high lead poisoning, so he can't quite function right. He's not feeling it, feeling whole yet, and it'll probably take 6 weeks to treat him.
Oh, that's so sad. So, but the Wild Bird Fund is just treating him right now,
and our partners will take over, so he'll be outside and get used to the cold.
Oh.
So he'll be going to Raptor Trust. So he'll be in an outdoor cage where he'll get to fly and see other turkey vultures and black vultures. They don't have any blacks, I don't think, but he'll be with other vultures.
That's nice.
Yeah, no, it's very important for them. We'll go into that a little bit more.
Yeah.
What a good bird. Would you like to walk out? Hi. Thank you.
Oh my god. So this is a
This is
vulture.
Echo.
Echo is his name.
ECO.
Nice to meet you, Echo. Oh, so he's only about 5 or 6 months old right now, right?
Just that. Just that.
Oh, he's
even
such
less.
a baby.
And you can see the baby down on his face, which is very cute.
Let's learn a little bit about black vultures, because I don't actually know that much about black vultures versus turkey vultures.
We have in the United States we have 3 types of vultures, and the most famous one is the condor, the California condor.
Okay.
And that's the really big bird. But here in our neighborhood, we have the turkey vulture and the black vulture. Now, this guy, he's very much smaller than a turkey vulture, but he's heavier. So he's a powerful bird compared to them. He's also black, except for some wingtips at the end of his wings that you can see when you look up in the air. But he is stouter and stronger, heavier, and he flies differently. Taking care of business. You get to see the little white on the under part of his wing, which generally is never shown.
Oh yeah, those
Did you see the
silvery tips?
The very tip of his wing will be white, and you get to see it when they're up in the air. And a turkey vulture has an outline that goes right along, and that's a silvery. That's the whole length, whereas he has just a triangle at the tip of the wings. They're also broader. They have a bigger, stouter wing. They're heavier, as we said before. And when they fly with versus the turkey vulture is kind of like and
flapping around.
They're much lighter. They have a narrower wing.
Turkey vultures do? Or?
Yes,
Okay.
a narrower wing. They're longer though. They have a bigger wingspan by about 9 inches.
How big is Echo gonna get?
5 feet
5
wingspan.
feet. Oh, okay.
Yeah, which is it's about 5 feet right there.
Yeah, it's just a little.
Yeah. The relationship between the turkey vulture and the black vulture is rather interesting. Turkey vulture has an intense ability, keen sense of smell.
Oh.
And they can actually locate prey or dead carcass in a forest where they can't see it at all. They locate it by smell.
Purely by smell.
Black vulture has no particular sense of smell, but he's smart. And he watches the turkey vulture and sees where the turkey vulture goes, and they will follow the turkey vulture. And they're a tougher guy. And so here's that poor turkey vulture, found the carcass. The black vulture moves in and kicks his butt, and he leaves, and then the black vulture takes over.
And you said they have a defense mechanism, right?
Oh yes, quite a good one, an effective one. Happily, he's generally calm and peaceful, but if he gets upset, he can projectile vomit towards anyone he thinks is abusing him.
Oh.
And which is only fair, if you don't handle him properly, then he'll let you know. And it smells horribly.
Are you speaking from experience?
Yes. One little pea drop of vulture vomit can clear a room.
Oh.
Really can clear a room. And
is it like compared to a skunk? Which one's worse?
I could live with the skunk vomit more. That one, the skunk scent more. A vulture vomit makes you want to love it.
So are vultures solitary birds, or do they live in groups?
No, vultures are supremely social
Mm-hmm.
and gregarious with each other.
Oh.
They form very tight family units.
Mm-hmm.
The mated pair, they have a mating dance that they do in the air and standing.
So they mate for life?
They mate for life, and they're wonderful parents.
Wow.
They come on and they're on the nest. They'll incubate the eggs for 24 hours straight. The mother or the father, and then they switch. And so they do that for the first 14 days. 24-hour shift, not moving. And it's chilly then, and it's raining then, and it's snowing then, and it's
so they're dedicated parents.
Dedicated parents.
Wow.
When they're roosting together, and you have anywhere from half a dozen to 3 dozen roosting in a tree together, they call it a wake.
Awake.
They're
They're all mourning together.
They look like they're mourning.
Well, Rita, thank you so much for coming, and we're so honored to have you here with Echo, the black vulture.
It was such my privilege to be able to bring Echo here and for you to meet him.
So if you want to learn more about the Wild Bird Fund, you can check out www.wildbirdfund.org. And if you want to learn more about birds or just vultures, you can check out Audubon's website at www.audubon.org.
Thank you, Echo.
Thank you, Echo. Thank you for coming.
He's turning now when you say his head.
He knows.